In an increasingly consumer-driven society, the ability to prepare and stick to a budget has become an essential skill for individuals seeking financial stability. Whether one is a college student managing limited resources or a professional navigating the complexities of adult life, effective budgeting can mitigate financial stress and promote responsible spending habits. In this video, we will elucidate the significance of preparation in the budgeting process, explore various strategies for maintaining fiscal discipline, and demonstrate how adherence to a well-structured budget can lead to long-term financial health. Ultimately, mastering the art of budgeting is not merely a matter of arithmetic. It is a pivotal competency that fosters financial literacy and empowers individuals to achieve their economic goals. The importance of preparation in budgeting. Preparation is the cornerstone of effective budgeting, as it lays the groundwork for understanding one's financial landscape. To create a realistic budget, individuals must first assess their income, expenses, and financial obligations. This entails gathering comprehensive information about all sources of income, including wages, scholarships, or passive income streams, as well as a detailed breakdown of monthly expenditures, from rent and utilities to groceries and discretionary spending. Such meticulous preparation allows individuals to identify spending patterns, discern essential expenses from non-essential ones, and anticipate future financial needs. Consequently, a well-prepared budget serves not only as a financial roadmap but also as a reflection of one's priorities and aspirations. Establishing clear financial goals. Once the groundwork is laid, the next crucial step in the budgeting process is the establishment of clear financial goals. These goals can range from short-term objectives such as saving for a vacation to long-term aspirations such as purchasing a home or securing retirement funds. By articulating specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals, individuals can create a sense of purpose that informs their budgeting decisions. For instance, a college student may set a goal to save a certain percentage of their monthly income to pay off student loans within 5 years. This clarity not only enhances motivation but also ensures that budgeting decisions align with one's broader financial ambitions. Strategies for sticking to a budget. Despite the best-laid plans, adhering to a budget can often prove challenging. To combat this, individuals can employ a variety of strategies designed to enhance self-discipline and accountability. One effective approach is the use of budgeting tools and apps that facilitate real-time tracking of income and expenses, providing a visual representation of financial progress. Additionally, implementing the envelope system, wherein individuals allocate cash for specific spending categories, can help curb impulsive purchases. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget in response to changing circumstances is equally important, as it allows for flexibility and adaptability in financial planning. Ultimately, these strategies cultivate a sense of ownership over one's finances, making it easier to remain committed to the established budget. The psychological aspect of budgeting. The psychological dimension of budgeting cannot be overlooked, as emotions often play a significant role in financial decision-making. Individuals may grapple with feelings of guilt or anxiety when confronted with their financial limitations, leading to irrational spending behaviors. To combat these emotional hurdles, it is essential to cultivate a positive mindset toward budgeting. This can be achieved by celebrating small victories, such as successfully saving a predetermined amount or reducing unnecessary expenses. Additionally, surrounding oneself with a supportive community, be it friends, family, or financial advisors, can provide encouragement and accountability. By addressing the psychological aspects of budgeting, individuals can foster a healthier relationship with their finances, thereby enhancing their ability to stick to their budget. Effective budget. An effective budget forms several detracting components that work synergistically to create an inclusive financial plan. First and foremost, classification expenses is vital. This may be done by separating them into essential and non-essential types. Essential expenses include rent, serviceableness, and transportation, while unnecessary expenses encompass eating out and entertainment. Additionally, combining a savings category into the budget is critical, as it fosters the tendency of setting aside funds for dangers or future investments. A well-structured budget endurer also contains a review mechanism, allowing for recurring evaluations and adjustments based on changeful circumstances. This iterative approach guarantees that the budget remains appropriate and effective over time. Mental aspects of budgeting. Further the technicalities of numbers and categories, the intellectual dimension of budgeting plays a detracting role in financial administration. Many individuals perceive allocating as a restrictive endeavor, superior to feelings of deprivation and worry. However, reframing budgeting as a form for empowerment can significantly change this perspective. By viewing a budget by way of to achieve financial aims, such as traveling, buying a car, or pursuing further education, things are more likely to engage accompanying their financial plans positively. Moreover, employing visualization methods such as devising financial goals charts or progress trackers can embellish motivation and reinforce the obligation to sticking to the budget. Plans for adherence to a budget. Sticking to a budget demands discipline and obligation, but several practical procedures can facilitate this process. One productive method is the use of mathematical budgeting tools and apps that specify real-time pursuing of expenses and gains. These tools often contain features that allow consumers to set alerts for overspending and offer observations into spending habits. Furthermore, establishing a no-spend challenge for distinguishing periods can encourage things to be more mindful of their payments. Furthermore, regular responsibility checks, whether through personal reflections or controversies with a faithful friend or mentor, can reinforce commitment and supply support in adhering to the budget. Finally, the preparation and adherence to a budget are fundamental abilities that can significantly impact an individual's commercial well-being. By engaging in all-encompassing financial assessments, constitute effective budgets, and understanding the subjective aspects of budgeting, things can cultivate a sense of financial blame and achieve their goals. Achieving practical plannings for maintaining budgetary training further enhances one's ability to survive finances efficiently. Ultimately, the art of calculating is not merely about restricting giving. It is a proactive approach to acquire control over one's financial future, fostering a contentment and paving the way for enduring success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money tip. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep building your financial future.